What's up guys, this is ANISH FITNESS and guys, you're watching ANISH FITNESS. So guys, I'm gonna show you my full day of eating. So let's start our video guys. I always start my day guys with 1 glass water. So every drink guys, this is best for metabolism and guys your digestion system. So I will drink. And guys, here is my first and pre-workout meal. So guys, we have oats and coffee. I cannot leave coffee because this is my best starting of day. So guys, I always prefer coffee, so I always drink. So and guys, we have our oats also. So this is a pre-workout, so I will meet you in workouts. So guys, this is my meal number 2 and this is my post-workout. So guys, here we have 4 egg white and 1 whole egg, and here we have our 4 brown bread with 1 spoon peanut butter. So this is my post-workout meal, and guys, meal number 2. So I will see you in my lunch. So guys, this is my meal number 3 and this is my lunch. So guys, here we have salad of tomato, onion and 3-4 piece of carrot, and guys, boiled meat, and here 2 cup of rice and 1 cup dal. So guys, I am not always in strict diet, okay guys, because I am living family, so it was obviously, so whatever made in my home, so I always eat that in lunch and dinner. So guys, this is my meal number 3 and this is my lunch. So I will see you in my meal number 4. So guys, this is our meal number 4, and guys, we have our 4 boiled potato, and guys, here 1 cup chana. So this is our meal number 4 guys. So I will see you in my pre-workout and meal number 5. So guys, this is my meal number 5, and guys, this is my pre-workout for evening workout. So here I have 1 cup coffee and 4 brown bread with 2 spoon peanut butter. So guys, now I will see you in my evening workout. Yeah. So guys, this is my meal number 6 and this is my dinner. So guys, here we have our rice, 2 cup rice and chicken and salad like Spanish, tomato and like a little bit carrot. So guys, this is my dinner. So guys, before going to bed, I always take 1 glass milk. So guys, this was today guys. See you next video with new content guys. If you like my video, then please like my video guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. Repeat guys, love you all, take care. This is ANISH FITNESS over and out guys.